Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your iPhone runs the latest iOS and that you have an active Apple ID. This ensures firewall features and apps behave correctly. Once done, decide whether you'll use built-in controls or a third-party firewall app. Both need network permission. You should connect to the network you want to control so rules apply immediately. Make sure to grant the app VPN or local network access when prompted. That step lets the firewall inspect and filter traffic in real time. Now you configure the core rules. Open the firewall interface and create app-level permissions, specifying which apps can use Wi-Fi versus cellular. Once set, add DNS filtering or content blocking to stop trackers and malicious domains. This reduces background connections. Use profiles or location-based settings to switch automatically, private at home, restrictive on public hotspots. Make sure to test a few apps after each change so you can see whether connections are rightly allowed or blocked. Finish by reviewing logs and running simple connection tests to confirm rules work as intended. This tells you which domains or IPs are being blocked. If an app stops functioning, add a temporary allow rule and check whether the app required a specific port or DNS. Remove the exception after confirming behavior. Make sure you back up your firewall profile and keep both the firewall app and iOS updated. If things go wrong, reboot the phone, reapply the profile, and check VPN permissions before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.